Today I'm going to show you how to get paid for surveys online, so stay tuned. What's going on, guys? This is Drew Gallagher helping you to accelerate your life and your business. Are you ever looking for an easy way to make money online? Well, surveys might be your best bet yet. Tons of research companies are looking for you to take surveys and to pay you for them. Companies register with survey sites, create surveys, and then those sites find people like you to take the surveys and make money for it while helping them with the research. That is awesome. It's a great way for companies to collect data while you make cash. So there are tons of sites out there, but what are the best ones to do surveys on to get paid? Well, let's go through some. One popular survey site is Junkie. Junkie is 100% free. You can sign up with Facebook, Google, or an email address. There are so many surveys, and it's really easy to make money on the platform. You can earn points just from completing your profile. You can make around $1 to $3 per survey. The link to Junkie is in the description below. Another one is Swagbucks. Swagbucks is super fun. You can earn points by shopping online, searching the web, or watching videos. You can also take surveys on Swagbucks to make money. It's super simple. Once you redeem your Swagbucks, you can get cash back or gift cards. You even get a sign-up bonus. Learn more at the link below for Swagbucks. Another great site is Inbox Dollars. Inbox Dollars works on a cash-based system. They have tons of surveys, but it's going to be really hard to net a lot of profit from them. But if you do a lot of short surveys, you'll be able to make a lot more than you think in a short period of time. You can also earn money by completing other tasks, playing games online, searching the web, and downloading coupons. Check down below for Inbox Dollars for more information. MyPoints is another site very similar to Inbox Dollars. You can earn money and gift cards in a number of ways. You can earn points by doing a number of things: answering surveys, taking polls, watching videos, and tons of other online activities, even shopping. Wouldn't it be great to get paid just to shop online? Now that's the dream. One negative thing about MyPoints is that whenever you try to take a survey or earn points, you're taken off-site to another third-party service in order to provide that data, which might be less intuitive than the other sites. The good news is you get an income boost after just completing a couple of surveys. For more information, check down below. Pinecone Research is a great place to make a lot of money online doing survey research. Each survey pays a minimum of $3, and they usually only take about 15 minutes to complete. However, Pinecone Research can be really hard to get into at first. A lot of the research studies are very restricted to certain demographics because they're trying to collect certain data. Surveys are also invite only, so you might only get a couple a month. However, your return on investment is one of the best in the business. However, Pinecone Research has one of the best returns on investment. Those are some of the top survey websites for you to make money online. If you want me to make a video on one of those survey sites going through how to make money, say yes in the comments below. I'd love to. Also, tell me in the comments below which survey site you're going to start making money on. I'd love to hear about it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Peace out. Hey, thank you so much for watching my video. I really appreciate it. If you liked the content in this video and want to see more videos like this, please click the subscribe button. Make sure to click the little bell icon and turn on all notifications so when I come out with new content, you'll be notified.